Hello everybody, welcome back. It's Joey again. I got Maria with me.
Hi guys, how you doing today?
Where we at?
Yeah, we're back at Hoover Dam.
And did you wake me up and tell me it was going to be a...
Oh yeah, I told him that, hey hon, you better get up because we have a beautiful weather right now.
Yeah, it's only like 90, 98, which is...
That was this morning.
Yeah, way better than 110. We're trying to beat the heat, but we're back out here at the lookout spot. I think it's lookout number... I don't know, I think it's like lookout number 15, which is right at the very, very top. We're on the Arizona side, looking down at Hoover Dam over here. And anyways, we're gonna go ahead and give you the Lake Mead Hoover Dam water report. And we're gonna spin around the dam, take a look down in the water, look at the intakes and everything, see if anything different or new has popped up since the last time that we've been here. And come along for the ride, guys, before it gets too hot, okay? Let's head down here. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so at Lake Mead today, this is Wednesday the 9th, this is the Lake Mead water report. And the water level at Lake Mead today, guys, is gonna be 1,062.05 feet. We're up 22.5 feet from the water year, which was October 1st. The inflows today are going to be 18,213 cubic feet per second. Outflows are 10,446 cubic feet per second. The average inflows for the past 14 days are 19,718. The average outflow is going to be 12,406 cubic feet per second coming in. As far as the change index is concerned, for the past 14 days, we have been up 0.13 feet, and today we are up 0.14 feet. Total number of days in the green are 13, with 1 day in the down. Going over to Lake Powell, I'm gonna show you a little graph here. We're showing a little bit of a dipping in the water coming back down here because basically Lake Powell is bathtub right now. Very little water coming in from Colorado, and they've just got the plug pulled right now, and they're letting the majority of the water come back into Lake Mead behind us. So at Lake Powell right now, guys, the water level is 3,578.90 feet. That's from sea level. The actual water at the dam is gonna be 446.69 feet at the dam, okay? The inflows today, guys, are 7,452. That's a very weak inflow. The outflows, however, are 15,898, which is double what the inflow is, okay? The average inflow for the past 14 days is 7,623. The average outflows are 17,552. And we are down 3.39 feet over the past 14 measures. The change index shows that we are down 0.21 feet for the day, and over the past 14 days, Lake Powell is down 0.24 feet for the past 14 days. Total number of days up in the green at Lake Powell are 0, unfortunately, and total numbers of days down in flow is going to be 14. We are up 49 feet from the beginning of the water year at Lake Powell, and that is going to be your Lake Mead, Lake Powell water update for today, Wednesday the 9th. So let's go down here now and take a look at what's going on at the dam. So anyways, guys, I got the 360 camera up and rolling right now. I'm gonna shoot you guys up as high as I can, give you a full vantage point of the Hoover Dam. So enjoy. Right down here, guys, what you're looking at is the spillway on the Arizona side. This has not seen water probably since the mid-80s. And there was a time that you could actually walk along the sides over here and the water would be up so high that as the wind blew across the lake, you would feel all that water splashing upon you as you walked across this bridge down here. But my God, it's been like 3 decades since that water was up here that high. Now, around 2 months ago, that foundation that you see down there by that little bridge area down there, there was about 12 feet of land below the water line. That was only about 60 days ago, so you can clearly see the water has risen up to the point that it's already consumed a little bit of it. And right on the other side over there is going to be the Nevada spillway side. Now we're on the Arizona side of Hoover Dam. Almost all this parking area over here is free. And you can see the stairway in front of me here. You could park up on the upper side there, the lower side, the right side. All of this is free. Over by the spillway right below it, if you want to go parking down there, it is $10. But that's because it has direct access to the dam. And on the Nevada side, it's the same way. They have the parking structure on that side. Either side is $10, but if you don't mind hiking a little bit and going up and down stairs and so forth here, the Arizona side, you guys can come over here and park your RVs, everything. Easy access, a lot of room, and it doesn't cost any money. So if you guys are needing like wheelchair access, or if you need to use like your mobility scooters and such, you guys can just take the ramp access like this. It's a little bit longer, but you'll be able to access it a lot easier. And then if you guys have no problems with stairs, the most direct way to get up there is just by taking these stairwells right here. What these are here, guys, is where they take, this stuff that you're seeing right here is where the surveyors surveyed the rock. They took core samples from inside of these here. And as you can see here, they got tons of them on both sides, and they've sealed it up afterwards. All right, guys, so we're about to get onto the overpass right here, the overpass bridge. All this traffic right here coming in from Boulder City, going over to Arizona. It is a windy one. Now, I would normally not be able to even record any audio out here because the wind is just that bad. But using this Rode wireless mic right here, I'm hoping that this Rode with this little dead cat is going to be able to pick up the audio good for you. Somebody lost their hats. Someone lost their hats. Oh, but this is a no hat zone. Look at all the hats on. Take a look at all the hats that were lost over here. Mess around and lose my hat, man. So directly below us, guys, is the Colorado River. Going that way, you're going to be going down to Havasu. That way, you're going to Lake Mead. Now that's strange. If you guys look all the way down there, it looks like they had it looks like that they had initially built a road and they just stopped it right there for some reason. They said, you know what, this doesn't make sense. Let's just go ahead and build that overpass and we won't need this little road here no more. Because it just looks like they just flat out stopped. All right, let's go. Alrighty guys, that's everything we have for you today here on another Lake Mead Hoover Dam Water Report. We hope you guys enjoyed coming out with the 360 camera and give you guys a full panoramic view of what we have out here. If you guys like videos like this, do us a kindness and hit the thumbs up, and like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And hey, do me a favor, if you guys like videos like the one that I'm making right now, hit the notification bell. That way the YouTube algorithm knows that you would like to see more videos like what I've made for you, and they will alert you each and every time that I post another video. So Maria, anything you want to say before we leave?
Well, I just want to say thank you guys for coming with us today, and I hope to see you on our next video. Yeah, on our next adventure. You guys be well. Thank you so much for all of your support and all the kind words you guys said for the grandbaby. Oh yeah, thank you so much for that. I'm so excited for the baby. Exactly. All right guys, you guys be well. Thank you so much. Well guys, we'll see you guys next week on the next water report. You guys take care. Bye now.